guys, it's Miss Susan here with another kit, concepts kit, and we're doing 5 senses this month. So in your package, you're going to have an assortment of different things. There were some things I cannot do, obviously, for obvious reasons. I can't put like the clouds in the kit or an airplane in the kit. I can't put foods in the kit. But I was able to come up with some interesting ideas that I'm hoping will help you learn about your 5 senses. Okay, so the first sense I want to talk to you about is your sense of feeling. Okay, that's when we touch things and you feel different things. You can also, things can touch you also. So in there, in your kit, I put some little pom-poms so you could feel how soft they are. You can brush it against your face. You can see how soft and fuzzy they are. Another one of the items in your kit is to show you something rough. I thought sandpaper was a good one. Now be careful. Don't rub this against your face and don't rub it too hard. You want to just be able to feel that scratchy feeling. You can feel how rough it is. It's not smooth at all. Like your table or your kitchen countertop, that'll be smooth. This is going to be rough and hard. Okay, that gives you the difference between those two. Another fun thing I put in the kit was bubble wrap. I thought you guys would love having your own piece of bubble wrap. Now there, it's kind of squishy. You can walk on it if you want. See how that feels. I love popping them. So you could pop a couple of them. That's fun. Some of you might have some samples of some of the big stuff. I have some big stuff, but I have more of the little stuff than the big stuff. So I'll try to put a little bit of the big bubbles in everybody's kit. But you will all get the little ones. So that's about your sense of touch. Now we're going to talk about your sense of sight. So this was something that I couldn't actually put in the kit, but I have a worksheet, a little sheet that shows you different items that you might be able to see but not be able to touch. So there's a cloud, there's a tree. Trees you can touch, but that would be something you can see. Can you see a squirrel? Can you see a bird or some flowers? Pretty soon you'll be able to see the flowers. Or draw anything else that you can see. Maybe you're out at the store with mom or dad. You can write what you see there, draw what you see there, and just circle the items as you find them. So that's about your sense of sight. The next sense is your hearing. Your hearing, we hear with our ears. Now, I have put in the kit, I don't have one right here, but I'm putting a blindfold, a simple blindfold in each kit. So if you're not too afraid, to make it easier, instead of just closing your eyes, you can put the blindfold on. And you put your blindfold on, and you be really quiet. And see if you hear anything. Now, if you go outside, you should be able to hear a lot of things. Inside, depends on your house. Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Are they barking or meowing? Is mom making dinner? Is dad making dinner? Are they talking? Do you have siblings that are talking, brothers or sisters talking? Do you hear the TV? Do you hear a radio? What kinds of things do you hear in the house? Some of the things that you might hear when you're outside, I'm going to show you. I put a garbage truck. Every week they come to our house. They might come to your house too, so you might be able to hear that. Or other trucks. Do you hear a dog in the yard, in somebody's yard playing, maybe barking? Do you hear any of the birds outside? You can circle that. I put a picture of people talking. Maybe you hear people outside talking. Do you hear somebody mowing their lawn? Maybe not yet, but soon they will be. How about a helicopter or an airplane? You might hear those. So I left space here so that you can also put something you hear that I didn't list on here. Okay, so now moving on to what can I taste? So now this one you're going to have another person's, an older person's help with, because you're going to need to taste some things that you might have in your house. So on the picture I have a lemon, some candy, ketchup, cheese, pizza. I'm sure you've had pizza before. How about yogurt? I know a lot of kids like yogurts. So what I want you to do here is when you taste these items, you can also wear the blindfold when you taste it. Have that other person help you. Is that sweet? Is it sour? Is it tangy? Like makes you want to pucker. Maybe the lemon would make you pucker. The ketchup is salty usually, so maybe that's something that you can notice. Now, cheese and pizza, those all have their different flavors. And yogurt, you're looking for things that are different, contrasts from each other. Is there anything else that you can taste or that you liked? You can also put, I really like sour things. Some people love sour things. Some people like really spicy things. I didn't write spicy on here, but spicy is another flavor. So those are the things I want you to look for. Okay, so now we're going to talk about your sense of smell. Now that is your nose. Your nose is your sense of smell. Now there's going to be a baggie with these 4 containers in it. They're each going to have a number on them. They're just little containers. They'll be similar to this. And the numbers will correspond to what they are actually on a sheet, so that your older, your guardian, your parent will be able to guide you as to what they are. After you've smelled them, you want to smell them first, and then mom or dad can tell you what they are. Now, number 1, I'm not sure I remember. Oh, you know what that smells like? It smells like my toothpaste. So it's mint. It's a mint smell. That's really cool. Oh, I love that smell. Now let's see what number 2 is. I'm not positive. Hold on. Let's go to number 3. Oh, okay. I know what number 2 is. Just because I thought I had number 3 and number 2. That is lemon. That is what a lemon smells like. Now, number 3, reminds me of Christmas. It smells like the Christmas trees. So it's an evergreen smell. Let's see what 4 is. Oh, that smells so much like flowers. That's lavender. So those are some different smells. Now, you can also go around when you are able to go outside, and you can smell some different smells. You can smell some things inside too. So our sense of smell. Now, use the blindfold for this one. Once you know your sense, then close your eyes, and it also helps you focus. Oh, yeah, that is the mint one. Yeah, I can tell. With my eyes closed, I can tell. So that helps you to try to identify your smells, the scents that you smell every day. So I have 2 surprises that are going to be in your kit. Just like last time, there's going to be a little craft type thing, although this isn't really a craft as much as it is just a fun play thing. So there's going to be a scene, and I'm pretty sure this is a park somewhere. So you can dream about spring or summer that's coming up, and this looks like cats and dogs Lots of cats and dogs with lemonade stand and an ice cream stand. That should be fun for you to put together. These are stickers. They'll come off and you can put them on the different places. Oh, that sounds like fun. Oh, and it says park and flowers. Very cool. See, there's the flowers that we just smelled. Another item that's going to be in your kit that is a surprise is for your touch, your feeling of touch. It's going to be a little packet. I don't have them yet, but it's going to be a little package of water beads. Now, those are a lot of fun. You just put them in a little bowl, add some water to it. You have to wait a couple of hours for them to completely soak up the water, and then you can play with those. And they're a lot of fun to feel in your hands. They'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so we'll see you next month. Next month, we're going to be doing your sense of time of day, but not clocks, not telling time. It's going to be more about how to tell when mom says, we'll do that this afternoon, or grandma and grandpa are coming tomorrow morning. Try to help you understand the times of the day. Another thing we're going to cover next month is going to be directional words or positional words, they're called. So like above or under, over and under, up and down, those types of words. Okay, so we will see you next month. Bye.